Hello team, so this is the crypto investment management solutions which I am going to show you. So this is the front end. Here you can check, we already create some plan. So here you can check what is the interest is there, how investment period you can check, investment you can check here. Here you can check capital return each term. If you want to deposit, you just need to log in or register once, then you can do it. So let me log in once, then I will show you future view as well. So this is the user panel. This is the user dashboard. Here you can check how much balance we have, how much deposit or withdrawals we had done. Here you can check receive payment for withdrawal fund. You can add accounts. Here you can check your recent activity. Here you can check transaction, investment, our plan. If you want to invest your money in any plan, then you can invest as well. Here you can update your profile. You can manage your deposit or withdrawal easily. Here you can check your balance in different currency. If you want to invest in it, then you can easily invest. You can deposit your money. This is the user panel. Okay, so let me show you other things as well, like admin panel or some details related to the front end. Here on the top, here you can check investment, about us, FAQ. Here you can check some pages which we already created. You can change the content if you want to change. Now let me show you the admin panel as well. So just allow me a second. Let me log in with my admin credentials which we had created for a demo. So this is login credential which we already show you. Just seconds. Sorry for delay. Just allow me a few seconds. I'm logging again because that season has expired. That's why it's not done that request. Now this is the admin panel dashboard. Here you can check overview, daily insist, total deposit data, withdrawal data, transaction, investment activity. You can check. Here you can check user activity or total statics. Here you can check payment method or mail settings. So you need to set up once. Here you can check deposit request, how much deposit has, and you can check. You can view details, so you can check user details, and you can filterize, or you can do some manage the settings as well. If you want to deposit, add bonus or any charges, so you can do it as well. After that we have a withdrawal. So here you can check all withdrawal data. After that we have a referral. So here you can set up or manage refer settings as well. If I click on any add options, then I can make deposit and make anything else here if I want to add. Like add bonus, add charge, if I want to do, then I can do it. Okay. After that, this is the transaction data. So here you can manage transaction. After that, this is the invest dashboard. Here you can manage or check your investment details. So which plan we have created. If any user invests on those plans, then that data will come here. Invested plan, here you can check. Here you can check activate, pending, complete, all invested plan. You can check it here. You can check scheme, and if you want to check process, then you can check as well. After that, here you can check manage scheme. So you can manage scheme as well. So these are plans which we had created. So if you want to add any new, then you can add multiple schemes as well. Here if you click here, then you can update, you can mark inactive as well, you can move to archive. Here you can delete as well. Okay, after that this is the invest statement. So here you can manage all types of transaction, profit statement and all. After that we have a user. So all types of user data you can check. This is the active user data. You can send email, you can mark as suspend, but here you can, if you want to send any email, you can reset password, you can assign in a group as well. If you want to data export or add user, then you can create multiple user as well. Okay. After the user, here you can check inactive user, all user data, or admin data. So this is the admin login or admin user. If you want to add any user, then you can create multiple user as well. After that, manage content. So here you can manage pages or email template. After that, we have some settings which I'm going to show you. Here you can update your time zones, currency, formats. Here you can manage currency. Here you can manage reward program. Allow bonus on sign up. So if any user If we enable it, then if anyone register, then they will get any bonus amount. So we can set up that how much they will get. In a deposit you can set up, this is the refer. So here you can give any refer amount as well. Here you can check third party API, system component, deposit and withdrawal, payment method. Let me show you payment method as well. So we already using PayPal, crypto wallet or bank transfer for transactions. Here you can set up your withdrawal method multiples. If you want to add, here you can check user dashboard. Here you can check user dashboard. After that we have brand masculines. If you want to update or check status, then you can do it as well. After that we have a components. So here you can manage components. Here you can manage investment apps and email configuration. So we already using SMTP for email. So you can set up your mail or SMTP, then it will be done. So you can send any email to any user. This solution is multi-language support. So here you can set up any language, which language you require in your solutions. So we already show you the complete demo. If you have any query, then let me know. We will try to solve it. Thank you.